Hello everybody, today I will show you how to make nut praline. Now for that we need sugar 100 grams, peanuts 30 to 35 grams and salt a pinch. Now first I will put the pan on the gas stove on a medium flame and then I will put the sugar on it. But at this stage I will not stir the sugar with spoon or spatula. Now today I am making peanut praline, but instead of peanut you can use almonds, walnut, pistachio or even pecan. Pralines are used in between the layers of chocolate truffle cakes, as a topping on cupcakes, desserts, tea cakes, and even on ice creams you can use it. Okay, like cream and praline flavor, you can just add some nut pralines. Now it's always good idea to make your own praline at home, which is more cost effective for a business, and the taste is far better than the shop bought ones. Okay, now you can see the sugar has started to melt in the middle of the pan. I will still not stir it. I will just move the pan to mix all the sugars. Then gradually it will spread to the side of the pan, and then I will reduce the heat. Okay, I will make it on low flame and I will just stir it with a spatula so that all the sugar melts evenly. See, the bubbles are coming. We need to reduce the heat, otherwise the sugar will get burnt. Now this process is called caramelization of sugar. Need to just control the heat. Now I will just stir it with a spatula to bring all the sugar together and to ensure that all the sugar melts evenly. Since it's on low flame, there's no danger of burning the sugar. Now it's almost melted, all the sugar, and it's light brown color. Now I will add a pinch of salt. Now slowly I will just stir the sugar to mix the salt nicely, and now I will add the nuts. You can make it assorted nuts as well, like peanuts, almond, walnut. Okay, you can just mix all the nuts and then make it a praline. Now I will just cook these nuts for a few seconds, then I will just switch off the gas stove. Now I have put a parchment paper on a cake pan and I will put the praline to get cooled on the parchment paper, but please don't use butter paper because butter paper has a coating of wax and it's not heat resistant. So if you use butter paper, it will actually stick to the praline. It's done. Now I will just leave it aside for 10 to 15 minutes just for the sugar to cool down properly and get hard, but you don't need to put it in fridge. It's done nicely. Now the sugar is already hard. Now I will break the sugar and the nuts and make it like a powder. You can put it on a grinder to grind it. I prefer to do it this way because I don't like that powdery texture of the praline, so I will break it with a hammer now. Make it a coarse mixture. Now I will store it in an airtight container inside the fridge, and I can use it whenever I need. As you can see, the pralines are coarse. It's not powder, but it is broken into small pieces so that when we'll eat, it will be crunchy in our mouth. Hope you have enjoyed watching and learned to make praline. Please make it at home and let me know if you come across any problem. Please leave your message on the comment section below. I'll get back to you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.